Welcome to Product Filter for WooCommerce Video Guide. In this video, we will show you how to create a color filter for your WooCommerce shop. First, you need to add some product attributes. Navigate to Products, Attributes, create an attribute color and add some colors. I've already had an attribute color created and set the color terms. After that's done, go to Product Filter, Filter Presets, and under Filters select Taxonomy and click Add Item Plus. Under Select Taxonomy, choose the new attribute that appeared, the color attribute. Now let's click on the paint cog icon to open the Terms Manager and add some colors. Choose the type to be color, and under Value, click Select Color and set the appropriate colors for the terms. You also have the options to show labels and change the swatch size. Let's save and see how the filter looks on the shop page. You will also have the possibility to use all the usual options, but I will leave that for you to adjust to your liking. Watch more Product Filter for WooCommerce videos to learn more. Thank you.